Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the long video is available, public or unlisted so viewers can access it. Once done, copy the exact URL and decide whether to link to the start or a timestamp. Timestamps jump viewers to the point that matters. Then open the Shorts editor and draft a caption with a short CTA. Make sure to keep the CTA punchy. It directs attention. This first step sets everything up so your short funnels viewers where you want them quickly and reliably. Next, insert the link into the Shorts caption, link field, or a pinned comment depending on platform rules. Include the timestamp parameter if you want a specific start point. While you do that, write a compelling one-line CTA that explains the benefit of watching the full video. Make sure to add a visible overlay or end screen in the short that points viewers to the link. This combination of clickable link plus visual cue raises clicks. The why is simple. People need both direction and convenience. Finally, publish the short and immediately verify the link works on mobile and desktop. Don't assume it will. Once live, monitor analytics over the next 24 to 72 hours. Look for click-through rate, watch time, and where retention increases. If you see low clicks or broken access, troubleshoot by correcting the URL, adjusting the long video privacy, or repinning the link as a comment. Make sure to iterate. Small fixes often yield big improvements in traffic from shorts to the long video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.